Hi, welcome to Hard with the Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE Blade A73, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is native launcher. So why? Firstly, is because this launcher is very simple, and it not loads the system. So it not loads the system because it's very simple and it's native. You know, native launchers are always a little better works on devices than installed. On the second place in my top, I have located Niagara launcher. Why Niagara? Now I will all explain. So it's because it's very simple. It's more simple than native launcher. It's minimalistic and it works very fast and flow. So as you can see here on the home screen, we can set up our favorite apps. And then here we have alphabetical line, and using this alphabetical line we can find any application in just one move. For example, let's find the Play Store. To find the Play Store, we just need to tap our finger on any place on the alphabetical line and just move it to P, and the Play Store is here. Calendar, okay, of course, calendar here. YouTube is here. Maybe Gmail, it's here. And you don't need to type, you don't need to wait until keyboard opens. So it's very easy and very fast. On the first place in my top is Smart Launcher. Maybe it's not too simple, maybe it's not too fast, not too clear like a Niagara launcher, but let's say true. Niagara launcher, it's not beautiful. It's minimalistic, yes, but not beautiful. It's not the I don't know, the art of visual. But Smart Launcher 6 is. So here we can see, as you can see, the normal main menu, but we can group applications by groups if we want. Here we have news. Here we have, of course, our apps. And here we have, if we will click and hold on any free space on our screen, we can open Wallpaper gallery, and here we have one of the most beautiful wallpapers gallery ever, and this wallpaper gallery updates every day. Click apply, confirm, and for example set up these beautiful wallpapers. And as you can see, it works great, it looks great, and it's cool. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.